Hello everyone, I am Bahor and welcome back to my channel. Today we want to go shopping together and learn the most useful and common phrases that you need while you go shopping. Also, I want to tell you some useful words that you have to know before you go to a shopping mall. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. Also, give this video a big thumbs up because you need it every time you go shopping. First of all, we will learn some practical and useful phrases and questions that you need while you go shopping. And yeah, it's learning time. Let's watch it, learn it. Okay, first of all, imagine that you want to buy a t-shirt. Now you just arrived at the mall. You can shop around or you can just wandering around the mall. To shop around means to look for a good dress, a t-shirt or an item and compare the prices before buying it. Also, when we say we want to wandering around a mall, it means we just want to ask about the prices, doing chit chats with our friends, having lunch with them, but end up buying nothing. Actually, I'm that kind of person because most of the times I'm just wandering around the mall. And at the end of the day, I just realized that I haven't bought anything. But if you want to save your money, I would recommend you this kind of shopping. Right now, you want to enter a boutique and see its clothes. At this moment, maybe the salesperson would come closer to you and asks these kind of questions. May I help you? Can I help you find something? Is there something that you're looking for? Then you can answer like, I'm looking for a dress or I'm trying to find a t-shirt. Also, you can just ask them some questions. For example, could you tell me where the glasses are, please? Or where can I find a purple t-shirt? Also, you can just ask them, could you help me, please? Then the salesperson will take you to the place that you just asked for. Now you are looking at the clothes, their colors, and maybe you just want to know about the price and the payments. You can ask like, how much does it cost? Or how much is this? How much are these? Or how much is that hat in the window? Let me tell you an example about the last question. Imagine that you're in front of a jewelry shop and you just saw a beautiful bracelet. And if you want to ask about the price, you can ask, how much is that bracelet in the window? Can I see it? And if you're wandering around the shop, you can tell them, I don't need any help. I'm just browsing. Thank you. Or I'm just looking. Thanks. After you found out about the prices, another type of question that you might ask is about other options like, would you have it in another color? Red would be better. Have you got anything cheaper? Do you have anything less expensive or less pricey? And if you want to ask about the size, you can say, do you have a smaller or larger size? Or do you have this t-shirt in a medium? Okay, now you just made your decision and you want to try it on. To try on means to put on a clothes to see if it fits or suits you. Right now, if you're at the shop, I can guess what you're looking for. You are looking for a changing room. And at this moment, there are so many different questions you can ask. For example, excuse me, where is the changing room? Or is there somewhere I can try it on? Do you know where else I could try? And if you just want to make the question shorter, you can just say, can I try it on? And if you're that kind of person who always goes shopping with his or her friends, you can ask them, how do I look? Do I look good? Does it suit me? Now you have to make your decision. If you want to buy that dress, you can say, I will take it. I will buy this one. And if you want to make sure about the payments, you can ask, do you take credit cards? Can I pay by check? Also, you can ask them, could I have a receipt? Or can I get a receipt, please? And the cashier may just answer this kind of question like, we accept or take all major credit cards. Sorry, we don't accept checks. We take cash only. Sometimes after you have bought the dress, the color or the size is not what you're looking for. Then you can go back to the shop and tell them, I would like to change this for a different size. And if you're totally dissatisfied about it, you can ask them to give back the money. You can say, I would like to return this. Or do you take returns? And you can tell them, could I have a refund please? Finally, we are done shopping. Now let's learn some useful and common vocabularies that you have to know before you go to a mall. Number 1, shop. Shop. Number 2, customer. Customer. Number 3, cashier. Cashier. Number 4, saleswoman or salesman, also known as salesperson. Then we have wallet for men and purse for women. So, wallet and purse. Number 6, till. Till. Then we have changing room, or in British you can say fitting room. Changing room and fitting room. Shelf. Shelf. And shelves. Shelves. Number 9, lift. Lift. Number 10, escalator. Escalator. Trolley. Trolley. Basket. Basket. The next one is barcode. Barcode. Closing security tag. Closing security tag. Now let's learn some different ways of payments. Cash. Cash. Check. Check. And credit card. Credit card or debit card. Debit card. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. Also, comment down below and answer my question. How often do you go shopping? And yeah, thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.